in southeastern Wisconsin until 12:45 a.m. At 12:17 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from the Browns Lake to Long Lake, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Standard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Powers Lake, North Bay, Raymond, Waterford, Camp Lake, Browns Lake, Chancellorsville, Pleasant Prairie, North Cape, Waterford North, Wind Point, Burlington, Bristol, Paddock Lake, Salem, Union Grove, New Munster, Rachel, Kenosha, and Cleveland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special Marine